my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say him?
Ageable.
Okay.
Where you give boy, you pay boy if he teach you for right?
No,
Oh.
we depend on the contract, you know. That's the worst one me ever see. And one man, I want to buy a yard. Me tell you that thing, you know. One man I want to buy a yard. The boy in the bag of lax. Go from Portland. The bike we have a yard is a twin star. The twin star yard sick. So you come back up here to buy parts for the bike. So here time when man that came down, Wilper man left and go buy a bike, you know. So a 3 twin star buy the year there. Him buy one and one of the brother buy one. 3 man buy a twin star. Same quality bike, 250 them. So this I will never forget, you know. And you know them time the man a pull up bike, take out the engine, put in a barrel, you know. So they send them with bike as parts. Because when you send it as parts, you know pay no for money, you just pay clear your barrel. So him take out him pull up a man bike engine for him, because you have a leak out oil. He pull up a man bike engine and take out the state of car. The state of car him want a yard for him bike, you know. But you just buy one for yourself. And you pull up the other man bike for him and put stuff in a barrel. And take out the man's state of car.
You have one for himself and he pull up a man on a teach you one man.
So 2 bike him wind up with now. And the man
See it a call our important parts.
it come like the thing in your car. What do they call it?
Alternator.
Alternator.
Okay.
The bike when they call it stator car.
Okay.
By charge back the battery. And when you better go and carry a barrel of yard, you carry it to a mechanic. So the mechanic said to him, say, me fix it, he said, when we state a car, and they say, in a barrel, man. He said, no, sir. The state a car in the barrel. See, barrel, you can't come to me, so. And it was a big thing a yard. But by that, it's a farm worker now. No matter where farm worker, you know, you know, master, you are here, you know. Yeah. You must not, nobody must not know. And if you know, maybe you go tell people to because you're a farm worker. Farm worker college, you know. But you don't know. Big university, listen. So, me tell you, man, with the hood picker, a man on earth.
Yes.
You never see him, boy.
We never post that door.
Anyway, man on earth and woodpecker, them are the bad men in the camp, you know. Anything you want to do, them boy, they do it, you know. Them boy, they're big man, but woodpecker short, but man on earth shorter. He short about so.
So then so short and get contract.
You know, if you don't know the height, they take you by.
Oh,
They take you by your fitness and your age.
okay.
Yeah. So, when they come up now and you argument, boss now, Bagalak, they run up your mouth, tell him, you when go say, you think say me get this, if you wake up alone. The man say, oh.
After you broke your man foot,
Yeah.
you come up and behave them way there.
Broke him man foot after you almost kill the man. You know what it is to a farm worker if you buy a bike and can't go yard? You know what it
You
is to
pro this somebody man.
Come make head man hurt, bro.
That's true man. Remember back then when farm worker come up man.
Even one belt you home with, brother, the prettiest thing that on your side.
I you see them with the bike. You're top notch man.
And the big girl don't want you that time, brother.
Yes man.
So, man, I say, yo, I'm going to tell Super here. Super say, I can't do nothing about that because that never happened here. I have nothing to do with that. So my man said, go to man on earth, out pick a boy. Go to man on earth, out pick a. Man on earth, out pick a. To me, you are going, you know. Boy, if he's dead. Yo, we'll deal with him. He said, I'm going to go. But I come up back, you know. Buy a state of car if you buy him and carry back a yard, you know. I'm going to mommy here. Right, me say, I go to him, I'm going to go Orange Bay now. Orange Bay they come from. So, in a town there's a supermarket. So this lady come out of the supermarket with a scandal bag or something, you know. And I like to pass with the bike. And then if I see a bike, when put the bike in there when I mean just buy. pass the lady, pass too close and bounce the woman and bust her bag and dash her something there. What do you mean if you do? What you done do? No, stop.
Stop and pick them up back.
And if
Help
you,
her, you know.
and if you buy anything, you know, buy back, give her and beg her pardon.
Yeah man, apologize, you know.
Apologize. No. Look as a bad boy and a ride in a rasta. That I want to chuck when you Leland, you know. I come up in that business place up there, you know. I remember say run a Leland back, no sponge no round there, you know,
Not
man.
pay metal, man.
Man, they say, you buy a bag of lax. Who will see? Say, when I go up to the human see the and you man have plug it down.
So what? So that the time you know, now look at the time, man, look behind him.
Right, it's about, but you know how your
Yeah,
man
man,
ride.
like cocky on the bike, like.
Me say by the time me see bike and do like so. Ratty doll. He rip. Oh, people to that say he rip fire so. Go straight back. So I go say to him, say, then he dead. You know, man, keep it where yourself, you know, you have to say material fire to go way back. Kill it!
Couple years ago, I see we were minibus, you know. Figure tourist party thing I
God
go.
almighty, man.
I drive and the mini dumper truck park on roadside. And the minivan driver I try to not crash with that car. So swing where he go swing out that car and straight up under the truck back. The minibus stop run go. And the truck back cut off the whole of front. And minibus. Oh God, man, that was a horrible accident.
People dead.
Oh gosh, man, all our Rasta man in there, he cut off the whole of tree more, go to the head back.
Jesus Christ. My God.
Cut it off clean. When you look on the neck, I just the bottom part of the mouth, the pan. And the person when swing out of his safe gone.
You not good, I don't know.
And the driver and a couple more people dead in a minibus.
Bus string off. Carry string off. You don't even know. Maybe you don't even know.
Maybe afterward in hearing.
You don't even know.
And when I said, one time, them a go out on a hotel, you know, and this woman feel bad, so she have throw up, you know. She have a brown paper bag. And she put her head at the bus window to throw up. And the trucker come. And when the truck driver reach in destination, you see woman at the chant on it.
Creepy.
Take off the gun. Some wicked thing came to
Oh, yeah,
people,
that's
man.
man.
But back to the question I now ask you. Where's are the best memories you have?
The best memory me can tell about but it's the best one I know. When you just touch a plane the first time, you know. Boy, me can't even tell you what that. When we go in when we get miracle card, when we get a promise, we get a miracle card. Me hardly sleep for the whole year, you know. Cause me don't know when it comes. So me I say, me be the nasty come. So when you finally drop now, me just feel this brand new feelings. You know, this brand new feelings.
Because then the time a man get a car to go to America, you know,
And you know, I know
or you know Canada.
I know man you fi say, I know a man you fi say. Me! When I no shoes for me foot, Papa. I 2 toes me have to wear one a drawers and one a trousers. Jesus Christ. Me want the whole world to hear that, you understand? I mean a thief.
No, sir.
Me could have thief and get it, but me not thief. And me be suffer you swim the fastest and go and reach in a here Jamaica plane. You me to hear your system now. Me no want no food, you know. You know, you don't want no food, me say yes. He said, Joe, me I laugh, me I cry. Serious thing I tell you, you know. Me say me not even want to sit here, man. Me sit on the ground.
So you happy?
Man, shut up your mouth, man. If we happy, oh Jesus. And me come and drop off from Miami. And me see bus and truck. Me say, me never know say bus and truck that in my place, yeah. One man say, what you think? Me say, boy, me don't know everything. Me say, brother, I did. They know, when we take a bus, they give me, you have the best memory I know. When we come off a plane, they give each man $10 at the time there. To go to New York. $10 nothing to go to New York, brother, to buy food. Me think New York I just wanna say for. Me think I just maybe one night or one day, you know. Ratty the whole. Hungry. So me stop and me cut $3 out of $10. We go turn full, go buy cigarette out of it. By the time we have at least one more day and one more night left to go. We go, we don't have the money. So when we reach
So how long will you on the road I drive for?
3 days and 3 nights. Because the bus could have reached further, even faster, but
But
they
to make rest stop and so.
and change bus and and service and everything. So we reach one place now and we go to one chicken shop they call Rai Raja's Chicken. You see when got a defend you, brother. This when got a when you wishfully do things, you have to be you know. But when you not wishfully do it, you know that we defend you know. We reach one place and we go to one chicken shop they call Rai Raja's Chicken Shop. It's a Kenny Rogers family and brother, I don't know. Now me believe say money in America tell people left them change on the table them. You don't know one about tip. So $5, $2, $2.50, $4, $10, you know, so and so and so. So me say we the people and let them change man. So me start pick them up. You know a camera they will do like so.
The dome camera then call them.
How you camera no see me? I'm here work I pick up the money, them I pick up the money them.
Nah, me I say, how them not see and stop you?
So you go buy one 2-piece, one large drink. So we go on the bus and I tell him man, say, boy, you know see for money on the table them man. Whole $28 out you know. So he reach the bus man, the bus driver yet. Bus driver say, what you just do man? Pick up those people tip. He would have turned back you know, but I treat me hit 95.
Oh.
You would have turned back and in the past schedule. So
We don't know what thing, you just don't know what thing.
and you want to take it from me too. You turn in the back. But anyway, I say, I don't know, so too me hungry and me and money done and then talk. He say, man, make the best first and the last you do that. I say, yeah man, yeah, me not do it again. And he said, you do it no, by knowing, you know, you do it. But me just believe the money that America that people let them change. We reach at the place one early morning now. After the night over, we reach our early place. Come spend the money. We say, spend your blood and spend what? Just can't reach out and say, come yam some chicken. We say, yo. We say, brother. We say, damn. We say, Jesus God. We say, brother, I tell you the truth. If I had known, say, a people tip, I wouldn't take it.
No, man.
I wouldn't take it.
It's a great feeling when you're there at Jamaica. When I talk about Jamaica, I don't know where else in the world because of them you come from. When you did it, you see people are travel.
You ever think about it?
You see people are travel and you wonder to yourself. So one day I go travel what I
Me never
did.
wonder. Me used to tell myself, say, I'll me now get for trouble because me know nobody to send for me.
You know?
And nobody now give me America. I used to beg God America card.
And when that day come, I realize it's your turn.
Figure get some experience someplace else.
You know how nice that feel, man.
If you know nice that feel. You see me reach a New York first time, bro. You see me reach a New York first time, me tell you this. Me no cheater and me no sell out. But when the time cold, and the man one man to go pick up, me no want to go there at the cold. But when the man asks every man individually, me I tell him yes. Me no business if you want to know, me say me will go. Me nah say no. Because me tell him in a camp as well. Me say then he asks you Jamaica say, every time cold, if you don't go work.
Yeah, say yes.
You don't say yes.
Of course.
Say yes, no.
I see him say go.
What do you? Say yes. You know what? Me turn back, you know. When everybody say no, everybody say no, you know. Where's the road? So here, you want to pick some up? We say, well, I'll go try, you know. You one can make it anyway. I said, damn. That's what I hear. But me no really want to go.
Yeah.
But me nah say no.
You understand them really?
No, it's not mine to say. I will not say no. So the man couldn't manage me. The man couldn't take me account at all. Because me a man different. Me make it different. We make it totally different from, me say different from what you say. Me no refuse no work, never once. And I never feel a test. I may never late. I'm going to tell you one time, the best memory, when I need the best memory, that's sent out on the bike on Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday. I can tell you that. I don't come for St. Dance Wednesday daytime, I come on weekend time. I plan jam up there Sydney. So, me with the day Wednesday, I don't know where these feelings come from. Go home no man. I just feel lazy, I'm no lazy, I feel hungry, I have one bowl sitting a dumpling and chicken back and sit when I cook up. And I work, I plant pumpkin and sitting on it. And I just couldn't feel the vibe still. I just said, you know what, I go down. I just call some boy over for them and say, come on man, who wants some food? They say, yeah man, say, control the pot for me. You know good, you know, say the army walk. Chris number 3 you walk. You just tell when they tell you when you do you want to say, put up the way for me. He say, yes bigger. I say, you take your food man and put up a pot for me. They rush a clearing that. About for 1 o'clock, you know. Me no want come down and me no want go. Me just lay. We ganja call them me stop. Till about after 7, we reach a yard. We don't reach a yard in a 45 minutes after our time. If me ride through. When we reach a yard, Sharon said to me, say, why am I glad you come in because he telegram me come for you. We fly a morning. Thursday morning. I say, right, kid. So I say, alright, you know what you do? So come and I say, boom. I fly around my mother and father. I park the bike and I run the military a year time, you know. I said, yeah, come for this work, I say, what the telegram you know, and you have to do. So I go put the bike in the house and come out the road. I ask 2 car man in the area. Some bike man in the area, the man they go out Westmore and go buy weed at night time. The man they go out town, everywhere. Especially one of them go from town ride on a big bike. And so 2 more and them, 2 me don't believe say they could have such a bad mind. Tell them me business. So what me just get telegram me no man and for your man and I me no want to tell a man. So me have money. But you drop me somewhere in a town. Just drop me anyway. Take me out of Spanish and drop me somewhere in a town. And you put me again at town. Right there. Anywhere parade this one. So man they lay and say they can't go. So boy run from food district and go for me live. And the man say, what you do? I say, boy, I'm not tell the man. And I say, the early morning bus now. I say, I wait for the early morning bus.
If you fly a man in your car, stand a country overnight.
I know when you knew the cut, you know. And you know when you reach Spanish town, there's a whole harbor. He lock up till 12 o'clock, you know. Before you park your traffic lock, you know. And brother, you want a big wheel bicycle.
You're pushed.
You want... Alright,
pushed.
Alright, bullcat. Alright, bullcat. Him. You want a big wheel bicycle out of my yard. And I say, you're ready to go to town, you know. I'm ready to go to town tonight. And the woman said, Lord Jesus. He said, I'm ready to go to town. And I took up patch, I took up pump. You know, me abandon the bicycle at town, you know. As a flight, I go up and not unless the more in a different date. But when I reach in the big town there, Maple, a piece of fear take me.
That time you've been start riding the bicycle already?
Look what chapter I come from, man. I reach a Maple 12 miles. Come on, Maple and no nothing upon bicycle, man. Practically downhill, yeah, coming up. When we reach a Maple, Baba, a piece of fear take me. Me can't pass, me no want to go pass out of Sandy Bay, so no figure whole harbor. I did I was with them the night time, you know.
Real man.
I have to pass whole harbor and reach that Spanish town. I have to go through Spanish town to go a Cremo. And then that deadly area them too, you know.
That's true, man.
Say boy, I didn't know. He's not to be this up.
Man.
Say boy, I know about this, you know, sir. So when me decide to do now, me decide to just turn back and me decide to stay on my pen. And maybe you find something early morning. If you cut off somebody long distance from up, so maybe you find something in the late night hours there. You don't know, but later about after 11. By the time we circle around and jump around and about after 11 o'clock at night. I see the one. You want me to say, boy, me nah, fear take me. Fear take me. So I say, alright, come right through. So see when I come up a clock this now. And I ride down now. So we get down if we don't have a bridge. So I mark it and I say, Papa boy. Jinga that sleep. I mark me say, Jesus Christ, God don't want to mark it up.
And I told them I go.
No. You don't pray say they not go down a veer. Me say if they even go a whole harbor. That would have helped me.
Yes, man.
I even Spanish town, you would have better off. And town, and a gold. Town, a platinum. So me, you don't get a truck back and me say, lady, sit down on the truck back and me say, hello. I say, yes sir. I say, lady, you know, that took you go town. You know, see me a farmer, because me just get me telegram and no one reach that town. You know, oh yeah, you know, my son a farmer too. Call one boy for the truck top, he up there asleep. He said, boy, we have to try help you out because my son a farmer too. He said, come, follow the young man to go check driver. The driver hope they saw a deep poke and a drink rum. A big red man from St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth truck come down. When the boy come off I truck back. And son look at me and say, listen to me. If you talk to the driver and convince the driver you get this bicycle. He said, bombo clot. Put the bicycle on the trip. I said, no. Yeah, boy, no. Bombo clot. Put the bicycle on the trip. I said, no. You talk to the driver first. Driver must know who the pan him.
Yes, man. If you find the driver say yes, you're good, you know, man.
I mean, I pray. The man say, you say one, if you must say yes. He said, me going to make him say yes, man. I go where I see man sit down and I say, yes, you know, driver, the man I want to talk to you. He say, about what? I say, driver, see me there no son. I try to reach a town and I tell you, man, we don't want to be late tomorrow, so. Told me I try to reach and I have something to reach, so. See truck park, so you need quiet, so. And I said, look, he said, no man, what up? He said, I'm not ready yet neither, you know. So I said, I don't mind, man. I don't mind if you're ready yet. I reach a town tonight, that's good. You don't think back me glad after.
At straight at town.
You do even hack, you do.
Straight at town.
No right, that coronation market in Chicago boy.
Look at that.
The more of people in whole lab and the more of people in Spanish town. And the more reach a town before daylight anyway. Brother, me unload truck that the night they like me a work for it.
That's all me go about life. Me start a journey. No know how.
Start!
Just start, man.
Start!
You never can tell what got me if you not start.
Oh, you think some work from St. Anne's come McLaren and all the way? Just get up early and take time work.
Start.
Just walk.
If you did make a disappointment with then disappoint your Molitan and not take out your bicycle, flight it and left you.
I mean that maybe just when you're late, just when you're late with flight, you either lose a season there or they put you up on standby. Because they're not calling you more 3 times a town in the rest. No, they're not calling. If you're lucky, you will come in the latest and they will tell you wolf and nasty word too. And you get. But somebody when they put you up on standby, they take other man from foolish place. You understand me?
You know amount of time we go there, we get a job. We look on it. We don't want to do it, you know. Because the look at it alone,
We make you know want to do it.
we make you know how to do it. And then we start. And in space of no time.
You find the root tight.
You find the root
You find the root tight, man.
Just start.
Start the thing.
No st-
Start it.
Big lesson that we learn in our life.
Cut off the way the music is on.